Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take GNC fish oil. To begin, always read the specific instructions on your product label, as dosages can vary slightly between products. Generally, fish oil provides essential omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. It's important to consider your overall diet and any existing health conditions before starting a new supplement regimen. For most GNC fish oil supplements, the typical recommendation is to take 1 or 2 soft gels per day. It's best to take your fish oil with a meal, as this can significantly improve absorption of the omega-3 fatty acids and help prevent any potential stomach upset. Establishing a consistent routine will help you achieve the best results over time. While generally well tolerated, some people might experience a mild fishy aftertaste or occasional burps after taking fish oil. A helpful tip to reduce this is to freeze your soft gels before consumption. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the quality of your fish oil. Keep the bottle in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. Always check the expiration date to ensure you're consuming a fresh and effective product. Many GNC fish oil products feature an enteric coating, which helps the soft gel pass through the stomach intact, reducing potential reflux and improving absorption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.